Hello and welcome to Panther Financial Services. This is Pranav Patil. Today we will discuss totally different topic. I'm sure after you will listen this entire video and it will make you to think differently, at least for a day minimum. As you have seen on the thumbnail that it is a chat GPT. Chat basically the message we interact, the information we exchange with each other. GPT, generative pre-trained transformers. So to exchange the messages, someone is pre-trained. That's called as a pre-trained transformer. Now, in a simple term, I'll try to make it the entire discussion. It is a software which is developed by OpenAI company, which is US based company OpenAI. It is started by Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015. In 2018, Mr. Musk stepped down due to he wanted to focus on Tesla, but he remains on the advisory of this company. So just imagine the world richest person is connected to this company, and he is one of the founder of this company. The initiative of this company to create the AIs, artificial intelligence, which will help for the human, which will help for a humanity, and which will be available free of cost to the people. Now why this is suddenly we are talking, everybody is talking on this GPT. There are a lot of AIs available right now, but still what is different into this chat GPT? It is the biggest risk for internet. It is biggest risk for companies like Google, somewhat at the certain level of Microsoft, or it is biggest risk to the IT industries. I'll repeat, it's a biggest risk for IT companies. It is biggest risk for the companies like a Google. Now you must have recently seen that there are a lot of layoffs happening in the IT company. One of the reason could be this software, or this platform. The reason because this platform or this software is doing beyond imagination of yours or mine. What happens, you are you have done the work entire day, and you have a girlfriend or boyfriend, and you are really don't wanted to talk to him or her. You connect with that bot, with that software, and it will talk to your girlfriend by understanding her or his words and the mentality. That high it has gone. Now, let me tell you what can be done with this software. This software is writing an emails automatically by reading the background, or if it is a new email, you have to just mention the few details. It is writing emails. It is writing essay as well. If you wanted to write a essay on your mother, it will write essay. If if you wish to write a essay on a global issues, it is writing issues as well. It is writing a news article as well. Now more deep dive to this, it is writing movies as well. It is writing movie stories as well. Just imagine, it is entire script is written by this software. It is talking to your friends and relatives. If you wanted to talk to them, they it will write on, it will type, or it will talk on behalf of you. This is how high this software has gone. Now let me tell you the beyond this. I'll tell you the reason as well why we are discussing this software and how it is connected to the stock market as well. Now in the US and UK, the software is banned in few colleges because students have started using this. In the last week, it is in a weeks or 2 weeks time, millions of people globally have downloaded this, and that's the reason few colleges and institutions have banned this software, because students are simply typing there and they are getting all the answer easily. Even in the Google, you have to search something, you will get a n number of options. You have to read that, you have to understand that and you will be able to connect that. But here you just have to write a one single sentence, you will get the proper answer. Legal fraternity of entire world is at the risk. What they are, what is happening, few legal colleges and the few legal institutions have already tested this software. If you have any legal issue, like, if there is a dispute between two parties, what you go to lawyer, right? They understand your case, they charge you for that. They check the background, in the past how many cases have happened in this, and they will refer that case, to the judge to get your case, clear from the court. But this software, if you tell the, simple language, with a simple point, this things happen, what should I do, it will tell you which law it is applicable to your case. It will tell you which case in the past happened in the similar way. It will tell you which judge has, cleared this kind of verdicts in the past. So there are n number of lawyers, and the legal fraternity, is developed, or spend a lot of time to understand this, the background cases, and this software is doing this work in a fraction of seconds, and it is happening at the global level. The third point, if you look at it, I'm sure you must have heard the name of Wharton School. The software has given an exam in the Wharton School. It got B grade. And it is also tested at the legal institutions or the legal colleges as well. It got a decent mark, the software. It is into developed stage. Just imagine, they are planning to have a data bank for this, at the background for the software. If that happens, trust me, it will be a great risk for big companies and the IT companies. Trust me. So now let's coming back to the point, how it is, connected to the stock market. Now there are a lot of people, thinking, but they wanted to do a trading. They, what they do, they call the broker, or they tell the system, or if I wanted to place the, order, I have to log in into my system and I have to place the trade. But with the help of this kind of AI, I just have to use my voice. Please place this order for this trade, or the, for this security. So there are a lot of back office work, institutions take. There is something called as the institutional trading as well. What they do, they write a, order note, they send you, they fax you, or they send you the mail, or they send you the, they will call you to buy this. What they have to do, just, use their voice and tell which security they have to buy. In a fraction of second, the entire trade will be done. So just imagine how it can hammer to broking industry. Second part, if you, it is already, algo trading is already there, and if you, it will be a kind of updated version for algo trading. The entire broking industry, mostly known for a research perspective. They send the research, and on that basis people believe, some, give a counter attack as well, and they comment and they take a position accordingly. So this software, if you tell the software, okay, please do research on Infosys, I need a research report on Infosys, one click you will get all the research report, 10 years background, 10 years data, all of whatever you want, you will get in one single page, or as, as per your requirement. With the, to make a report, the same report, a human being require a week's time. A good report, research report, cannot be made with a 1 hour, 2 hour. It requires minimum a week, and the software is making in a fraction of seconds. On, big reports maybe 1 minute or less than 30 seconds, kind of something. Just imagine the kind of development is happening. This software is totally free. You can go to their site, you can check with the openai.com or chat GPT, and you can log in into it. I was trying yesterday on this as well, and the system was a bit down. But when I checked that, the software is literally writing a poem. I just mentioned the name, and I have seen the entire poem in a, tak 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 tak, in the similar, in a 30 seconds the entire poem it has written. So if your spouse or if your you know boyfriend or girlfriend is upset and you wanted to make them happy, what you do, you basically use the great good words. The software is doing that as well. You just have to tell what you require, and trust me, it is going beyond imagination. Now let me tell you the other statistics as well. This software was tested on the backend issue as well. The AIs earlier, how it is different from past AIs and current software. Past AIs, they got the data from the internet. They mentioned that Trump may win the election, US election, because the kind of data was available on the internet and the people were accessing that data on that basis. uh, the software, lot of AIs confirm that Trump may win the election, but it didn't happen in the US. And this software is little bit updated version of that, but still I'm not saying rest to the humanity, because at the end of the day decision will be human decision. So the point which I'm trying to make it, if you are into IT industry, and if you are as I mentioned that TCS or Infosys, they hire 15,000 a month employee or 20,000 a month employee, and they write a code for them or for their softwares. They pay them a monthly salary 15 to 20,000, 25,000. This software is doing the same work within a few minutes. It is literally writing the codings as well. It has gone that high, and it is at the start level only. In the few weeks, the global level, it has used by many companies, many, and the Google has already started the investigation how we can find out the articles and stories written by these softwares on the internet, how we can stop or how we can control this software. They have started the training and the research and the development on this part. There are a lot of layoffs happening at the base level job, the coding level job. It is because of this kind of software. So think on this. At the at the human level, it is a very good development, trust me, the kind of initiative. But we have to just use this software at the good intention, with a good intention, nothing else. It is telling you the global geopolitics issue as well as the macro issues as well. All the issues it is explaining. I hope in coming days you will see the software and you will try to use it for the better perspective. Thank you for your time. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.